I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up an account with Optus, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Visit the Optus website. Go to the official Optus website. Look for the sign up or create account option on the homepage. Step 2. Choose your plan. Select the plan that suits your needs. Optus offers various options for mobile, internet, and bundles. Step 3. Fill out your details. Enter your personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to double check for typos. Step 4. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Set up your password. Create a secure password for your account. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure it's strong. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the identity verification step, it might be because your ID details don't match what is on file. Just ensure everything is accurate. Good luck with your new Optus account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.